In today's exciting episode of Roofing with Andre, today we're going to be stripping out this flat roof behind me and we're going to be re-roofing it because there's 3 inches of water inside the roof. Let me show you guys real quick. So here's the hole I cut just for temporary, just to see what was in there, and that's a lot of water. So today's exciting episode is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to remediate the water issue, fix all the plywood, fix all the rats, fix everything, just like we always do at All Roof USA. You guys know our deal. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start stripping, and that's gonna mean we're gonna start cutting the roof open and really investigating and trying to find the leak to see what's causing the problem. So let's cut the roof now. It's the first time for everything, and today's the first time we pump out a roof cavity. Never done this before. Well, I've never needed to. Okay, bucket's full. It's time to pour it out now. Crazy. All right, now we're at the point where we're about to give up on life and kind of quit, because we're kind of hit a point where I didn't realize people could build things so badly. So what we have here is we have the original roof, which is under the stuff we've torn up, but this is the original roof, and it's some kind of an asphalt product. Then they put down some kind of wood that's not even properly secured. It's just laying in the dirt on the old roof, whatever. And then they put a subfloor on top of that without using any real screws, but they, I guess, secured it down somehow. I don't really know how. Then we have a roll roof. We have a lot of torch down, and so we're cutting through like 6 layers of roof, and we haven't even gotten to the actual original roof. So let's keep going. Let's try to see what we can do here. Let's figure it out. I'm not super excited, but yeah, didn't realize it was going to be this kind of day. But I'm glad we're getting it done now while the weather's kind of warm. Wish me luck. We're now at the point where the majority of the first frame over is done and it's completely ripped off. So now we're down to the original roof. Well, one of the original roofs. There's actually 2 roofs on this part, which is another story. But so that was the deepest section right there, and now this is the we have our first torch down. We have another torch down. We have some kind of a roll roof, another roll roof. Then we have a base sheet, and then we have the tongue and groove subfloor, which is like 3/4 inch expensive subfloor. We have cheap blocks holding it up, and we're ripping all of them out, and we're taking out the subfloor now. And from there, we are going to rip the original roof. Now that I open up the section here, you can see there's tongue and groove boards and there's plywood here, but for some reason it's sagged down here, and that's where we're holding a ton of water. So we need to do something about that. I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm gonna make a plan at some point. I just don't know what it is yet. Yep, good. And we're at the point now where the original roof is now almost stripped off. So we took the top layer off this roof, so that makes it a total of about 5 roofs, 5 layers of roofing that has been put on at separate times. And this is the old built-up roof, which is just tar and paper, a bunch of it. So I got to take off and go do an estimate, but I'm gonna leave Isaac here to clean up the rest of all this flashing details and get the rest of this stripped out, because the dumpster just came and they left, and they didn't have a replacement for us. We can't throw it down, so that's okay. And that's the end of our process here. We've stripped everything down to the wood deck. We found all the rot that we possibly can. Tomorrow's the day we're gonna reframe everything and put it back to where it's supposed to be. But Tomorrow we gotta go shopping for lumber, plywood. We need a lot of stuff. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, guys, over and out.